Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with a review. It's a little different. We're not going to be talking about makeup products today, but we're going to be talking about something else that is almost as close to my heart as makeup is. And as a wife, you know, you gotta clean your house, and so I'm going to discuss and talk to you about my opinion on some products that I got from this website called the Grove Collaborative. Now, I know that there must be bazillions of people who are subscribed to Grove Collaborative and get their orders, but I also know that there are quite a bunch out there that are not aware of this website or the products like I was. I was recently presented this to through a friend. She actually put the link on Facebook. There was this great link for some free gifts with a purchase of $20, I believe, which is the minimum. I will put the link below if that promotion is still available, which I think it is still available. So I'm like, come on, man, products for cleaning. And you know, this website is based on chemical free things and healthy, smell good free things and things of that matter. These are cleaning products that do not have harsh chemicals or anything that would be harmful otherwise to children or animals or the planet or what have you. So this is where Grove Collaborative comes in, where they sell a lot of environment friendly and environmentally aware products such as Mrs. Meyer's, Method, and Seventh Generation and brands like that. So I've never tried any of these brands personally because I honestly just thought they just wouldn't do a good job as, you know, these famous brands that we know, Pine Sol, West Oil, and Mr. Clean, and all these, which are pretty much the brands that I've always, you know, been brought up with. But I wanted to give it a chance just because I heard so many people raving about the products. So I wanted to show you the products, what I got, the free gifts. Are they good? Did they clean well? Do they smell good? Whatever. Is it worth it in the end? So keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you first of all the free gifts that I received. Again, this is with a minimum purchase of, I believe, $20. I spent $27, so because I just always have to do that. So what you get, and if I'm doing it correctly, you receive this empty glass sprayer, which is perfect if you're gonna put anything from water to mixing cleansers to whatever you want to do with it. Has this nice rubber sleeve on the bottom. I got this as a free gift. I also got this dish brush, which I honestly have not used yet, but I'm feeling very good about it. The bristles are very, very stiff, very strong, and the cool thing about this brush is that you can replace this head. It has a little swatch diggy thingamajiggy bob there, and you're able to take off the head and replace them. So I am waiting to use this, and honestly the reason why I have not used it is because I'm so used to using my rags, my dish rags, and you know, the sponges. I'm just so used to using those. I just automatically reach out for them and I keep forgetting that I have this product. But now that I've reminded myself that I have this product, I will try and use this product the next time I wash dishes. So the next product that I received are these sponges. I'm going to take out the one that I am not using at the moment. As you can see, this has the soft side. On the other side is, you know, the more coarse side. I have been using it. It came in a pack of 2. And I have been using it. And I can honestly say that it's actually pretty good. It works. It feels different than an ordinary sponge, obviously, because the materials that they're made of, you know, are different. The coarser side, to me, it actually feels kind of flimsy, but it cleans, which is weird. But I guess that's a good thing. So it does feel a little weird, and when I first felt it, I was like, this is not going to clean my dishes. This is not going to scrub off anything off my pot. But I can honestly say that I was pleasantly surprised because it did manage to take off stains off of my pot. So So yeah, I think I will, you know, keep using that. The next product that I got, and I'm going to go into the products and the scents because they have different types of scents. The first one, this is from Mrs. Meyer's. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Dish Soap. So I wanted to try it out, and I got this in the scent of Bluebell. Now they have a lot of different scents to choose from. The scents that I pretty much stayed around were the Bluebell scent, the basil scent, and the seasonal scent of pumpkin. I just wanted to try out different scents. I didn't want to get everything in one scent because I wanted to know which would be my favorite scent, my signature scent, if I liked the products. Now, the dish soap, as far as formula, I have no complaints. It does the job, does what it's supposed to do. Lots of lather in my opinion. I think it lathers really, really well, which again, I was surprised because these obviously are going to be different products than you're accustomed to or that I'm accustomed to. But they actually did the job. I'm surprised. Nice full size, and I have to say I think my favorite scent is the Bluebell. They have lavender and I think orange, and they have all these other scents. I personally prefer a little stronger scent, a little like an earthly type scent. So if you kind of, you know, gear more towards an earthly scent or, you know, something like that, a woodsy scent, I would say, I would recommend Bluebell. I think that this is probably the closest that you would get to that scent. It's a very light, crisp, fresh scent, but it doesn't have a scent. It has a, you know, has a remnant of that woodiness that you would like if you do indeed like that scent. Then the last free gift that I got, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was it. That was a free gift. So anyway, I also got in the basil scent. This is the Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. So I use this. I've been using it, as you can see. I've been cleaning, and I have to say that I was pleasantly surprised also with this formula. This is an everyday formula. This puts fragrance on wherever you need to put it. I used it on wood. I used it on my mirrors. However, it kind of left sort of a residue on my television, so I'm probably not going to use it for my televisions. I don't know what happened with there, but I used it on everything else, and it really did clean. I cleaned my refrigerator, you know, the outside and the sides, countertops. It really did do the job. I would not use this for the oven, or not the oven, the stove, because I don't feel, you know, if you're gonna have some heavy duty stains, then I'm going to recommend a heavy duty cleaner, which is the next product that I'm showing you. This is from Method. This is the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser, and this is in the scent of lemongrass, which actually is not too bad. It's a little bit stronger than the basil and the Bluebell, obviously, and because of the properties, this is a degreaser. But if you look in the containers, and the good thing is that, you know, it'll tell you how to use it, it'll tell you the ingredients that are in it or what have you, it'll tell you what's not in the formula. This is a good degreaser. I was actually surprised. I left it a little longer on, you know, areas and spots where there was a little bit more grease, a little bit more dirt, which it is recommended. It says in the instructions to just leave it a little longer and just wipe it, but I felt like it kind of just did the same thing that my usual degreaser would do. I'm not 100% of how it would work with like a heavy duty grease. Like recently I had a heavy grease stain on my floor, and I have ceramic floors, and it was just horrendous. Didn't come out. I had to get Lest Oil. Now if you know Lest Oil, grew up with Lest Oil is heavy duty shiznit. So I left that 5-10 minutes, came out easily. I don't know if this would have the same property, would have the same, you know, potency to do so, but for everyday degreasing and everyday cleaning on your stove and your oven, also you know, the top counterparts and the cabinet doors, definitely usable. The smell does not offend me at all. It's a little stronger obviously because it's lemongrass, but again, it does not offend my nose. Next product that I got, and this is Mrs. Meyer's. This is Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface concentrate. And this I got because you can do anything with this. This is pretty much like the multi-surface cleaner, but this is more concentrate, and you can use this to obviously wash. You can mix this in the bottle that is provided for you and dilute it with some water to spray when you run out of the everyday cleanser, which is what I plan to do. I use this to mop the floors, and I use it, you know, just to clean everywhere, and it leaves such a wonderful scent. I also got this in the basil, a wonderful, again, a fresh light scent, the basil as well. It smells so good. I really can't explain how it smells, but basil and bluebell really are the closest ones to that nice, fresh, woodsy, airy scent that you would want. Love it. Now I'm gonna go into the bathroom and just get these two products that I got. This is from Method as well. This is Method Daily Shower. And I have been wanting one. I forgot the brand that it was that I used to always get when I lived with my parents when I was younger. And you would spray it every day when you get out the shower. You would spray it, and that would help. Obviously, the bathroom smells nice and all this stuff, but then it would maintain the tub as well. I have not found that product in some time, but I was so happy that Method actually had their own on the website. So I have been using this, and this is just so nice. Such a nice smelling, just a fresh scent. Really, really nice. I spray it when I get out the shower. When my husband gets out the shower, I go back in and spray it, because Lord knows that man is not going to do it. So I do it myself, and so far so good. And if it doesn't do much, I just spray it because it smells nice. So I just really, really enjoy it. And the last product that I got was the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner, and this is in the scent of spearmint. So it definitely smells like spearmint. It's like a strong version of the spearmint, and I have used this to clean my bathroom. I've used this to clean the toilet seat, the bathroom sink. I've used this for the bathtub, and so far so good. I like it. I enjoy it very much. And I wanted to show you just one more thing before I forget. I actually also got this candle from Mrs. Meyer's. This is a small one, and this is in the scent of basil as well. Again, I wanted to stay safe with fragrances that I thought that I would like. I also did a lot of research on Google, and I was reading a lot of reviews on people to see what scent they got and what it smelled like to them and how it was and all this stuff. So that really helped me out a lot as well. I'm going to show you this product also. This was the hand soap from Mrs. Meyer's, and I got this in the pumpkin set. I was a little curious. I am not a pumpkin person. I apologize for all of you guys that were waiting for October to come so you can have your pumpkin lattes and pumpkin this and pumpkin candy and cake and all that other nonsense. I am not a pumpkin person. Never have, never will. I was just curious to see if it would be a nice scent. So, what is my conclusion of all these products? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. First of all, if you're a pumpkin person, if you're obsessed, then I recommend to you the pumpkin hand soap. For me, the scent was unbelievably strong. It was too strong. I don't like it. We're using it because we need to finish it off. My husband totally tells me, he's like, this is like so strong. I'm washing my hands with it as much as I can because I just want to get rid of it. So again, if you're obsessed with pumpkin, hey, this is your scent right here. But me, this is not for me at all. The scent is so strong, and it just smells up my entire bathroom, which is great. It doesn't smell as bad when it's like faint in the air, but again, it's really a potent scent. So I'm glad I only got it in the hand soap. So overall, these products I really did enjoy. I love the scent. I love how my whole house just smelled so yummy and so delicious. I just absolutely loved the scent. The cleaning was awesome. I just really enjoyed how everything was cleaned. I was shocked. I was pleasantly surprised that these products actually lived up to their cleaning name, and they just aren't, you know, pretty looking, smell good products. They actually do deliver in what they say. Now, my only con that I have to say, number one is the candle. Now, I don't know if it's because I have the small one or what have you. As wonderful as the candle smells, it does not release a potent scent like, for example, if you like the Bath and Body candles, Bath and Body Works candles. I mean, I will light just one of those, a 3-wick, even the 1-wick, and almost my entire house is just smelling so, you know, great on that one candle. I really felt that the scent lacked in the candles, and that was really disappointing, because after you clean the entire house, obviously the scent of the cleaning products is gonna go away, and I was hoping for the candle to keep the scent going, but unfortunately it did not do so. I am not 100% sure if I will purchase the candle again. If I do, I'll probably get the bigger one to see what happens, but I don't know, I'm kind of iffy on that. Another thing was the scent of the products. Although they are wonderful, to me personally, I kind of wished that the scent lingered a little longer in my house. I felt like the scent faded away a little too quickly. I really would have loved it if it had stayed around a little longer, especially because, you know, especially since the candle really, unfortunately, was not doing the job. So that sucks. So those were really only the two things that kind of disappointed me. The fact that the smell, you know, the scent didn't linger. The candle kind of was like a bust. You know, right now I'm burning it to burn it. You know, I gotta get rid of it. You know, I paid money for it, but I'm pretty much still using, I went back to my Bath and Body scent candles. But in any event, I'm gonna put the link below for the products. Again, you can get this 5-piece gift set. You get it free with the purchase of $20 minimum. When you're a VIP member, shipping is free. All you have to do is customize your orders in this account. You will automatically be set up for an account, and you will have your order shipped. Whether you want it every month, every 2 months, or whatever, you have the option of skipping the month. If you do not want the products that quickly, you can customize your cart to what you want, take out what you don't need, put in what you would like to try, and it's a cool thing, guys. So I'm gonna put the link below again if you're interested in these products. If you have tried them, let me know what you thought of them. Give me any recommendations on any other scents that I should try. And that's it. So thanks for watching and listening to me ramble and seeing me in my little ensemble here. And I will talk to you guys very, very soon. God bless you guys. Adios.